This is the nearest stairs going up to the walls from the train station. This is the nearest stairs going up to the wall. That's the city center. That's the Minster. There's the entrance going up, going inside of that building. But here in the wall, no entrance. And here is the wall. You can walk free until the bridge. And then business center over there. You walk maybe 5 minutes and then wall again. And this is going to the train station. You go inside the tunnel over there and you go out from the tunnel to there and walk over there for 3 to 4 minutes to train station. Just go straight from that road. To the market of York. From here, 5 minutes walk to market of York.